Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Grilla Grill's Alpha Connect to either a smoker, pellet stove smoker, or grill, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings of the controls on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this controller not working, if it's not responding, if it's not pairing or sending the proper information to your device, any kind of stuff like that can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now, the other reason you might want to do this, and you'll need to do it either way, is if you want to get it set up new, like it's coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that and wipe everything off of it. It's very simple to do. With this on, we're just going to come in and find the temperature up and temperature down buttons on the control pad. We're going to press and hold them simultaneously for several seconds. And you'll see after a few seconds, right here, we'll see two circles that will be like circulating circles right next to each other. And we'll just continue to hold, and it will say RST. The big numbers here will say RST with the circles circling. Just continue to hold the volume, the temperature up and the temperature down until it's, instead of saying, it'll say RST, and then it will down here, instead of circling circles, it will say OK, at which point it's complete. You can let go and set your grill up again.